Well, here you are, over the side of the room. I'm taking the motor out of the lathe. We're going to try and fix that today, because I'm lost without my lathe. We can start working again. So we got to get to the back of here. There's 3 bolts, undo the 3 bolts. It's as easy as that. If you had an empty room, it would be very easy, but I haven't got an empty room, so I got to dig my way around the back and see what I can find. Right, we can see the nuts. It is 3. They do look like 17s to me. Here we go. I got a funny feeling. I got a funny feeling that we're probably going to need a lathe to fix this. A sleeve or something. That's pretty fucking crazy. So that should come out of there now. That's the trouble with being 20 stone, is getting up and down. There's nothing else wrong with being 20 stone, don't get me wrong. We're struggling here, boys, we're struggling. I wish I was still in bed. Oh fuck, I'm moving. Right, let's see what it is. It's getting caught into the bottom. Ah, there you go. Right. Don't worry, it is shut off. It's going to be rewired anyway. I don't know how much of that you got, but here now. Now you know why I got balls like a donkey. Right, up on that. Up on there. Any volunteers? Yeah, I'll do it for you. Okay, come on. We got to get this bleeder off and we got to put the new one on so it lines up with that. What could be fucking simpler? Can we get this pulley off, or is there another? I can't see anything down there. I think I'm going to hit it first, because I like hitting things. Come and hit that. But there's definitely not an Allen key in there. So you tell me how else would you get it off, alright? No matter what you say, it's coming off. There's no woodruff key and there's no grub screw. We are very close, Montel. Ah, right. There was a grub screw. I gotta show. Ah, fucker. Get over there. I saw the hole there, look, and it's got threads on. See the hole there? Threads. But it's actually, there's a grub screw in there. Will it fit the new one? Let's see what shaft is on here. Right, it won't fit there. Because this has got a bush in there. Will you look at that bush? You see there's big cracks across here, I don't know if you can see that. That's years and years and years ago. Plate there, like there's a plate to hold it all back together. And what we are wanting is a 13mm. It's the famous 13mm spanner. Now, you see this thing is actually broken half, look. And no, it wasn't me who broke it. If you buy something cheap, you know there's something wrong with it, don't you? They're not going to tell you what's wrong with it, but they're just going to lower the price, thinking you're thick, which I was, but it's New Year's Day. Start the year off as you intend to finish it. Freaking noisy. Right, that's the new motor. Robbie got a new motor. The feet is definitely different on it. So hopefully... Oh, for fuck's sake. Disastrous of disastrous. These feet are different than the other one. So we got to take that off there and somehow fit that on there. Can you do that, Rob? No. Maybe. No. I'm going to have to make a set of runners that then lines up with that. So that's one problem, that's another problem. Besides the point, I don't want to do things like that. That's got to go on there. Let's have a read up there. If I take that bush out, it's going to be too much. I'd have to make another bush to put back in. This is that big. 17. This is that big. 16. 1 mil got to come off there. Okay. You can write all the comments you like about it, alright? I utterly ignore stupid comments because the job got to be done. The job just can't sit there for the rest of its life. It's got to be done. So what can I do? You tell me what I can do and we'll take it from there, alright? That's got to go on there. Now there's two ways of doing it. Go get another motor? No. Take motor somewhere and have this turned down? No. Put this in the lathe and open that all at 1 mil. Great idea. But we haven't got a lathe. This is the lathe. So we got enough problems with this pile here before we have a problem with this as well. So I do what I want to do. And what I'm going to do is not what you want to do. Oh, I wouldn't have done that. Neither would I. I do something crazy. Well, I know that's no idea, but I just wanted to see what you was going to say. What we're going to have to do is re-drill another hole, tap it out, and put another grubby on from the end. Slightly bigger hole there, going down into a smaller hole there to take the grub screw. So wiggle of the hips. You're going down the wrong hole, Rob. Sorry everybody. I wonder why that was going so easy. I was in the wrong hole. I do beg your pardon. This is called a file. It should be fan dabby dozy. I know there's 1,000 people out there having a go at me. Did it or did it not do what I intended it to do? Which the answer was yes. There you go, there's your pulley. Your pulley is now landed. Switch it on for a bit of daring. As you see, it's not vibrating, so it's obviously pretty well balanced. Now the trouble is, because there's always a trouble, not only must we get it on there, we got to get it lined up on there. And this is quite heavy, believe it or not. We need that on there like that. Oh, you could send that away and have it done, Rob, if you wanted to. I ain't got time for that. So what I'm suggesting is find another piece of that, but where the flick am I going to find something like that? Bolt that on and then weld a plate onto that. Put you over there, because you can hear me thinking, because I haven't got a clue what I'm doing, but I can guarantee I'll get it done. Somehow, I don't know how. What I come up with was these. So I can weld that onto there, drill and tap. So that way this thing here, this plate, can go back on there, and it can go back on there pretty bloody solid. Now let's just put that on and get some sort of power to the people going now. I'm tired, I want to go home. There you go. So we're saying now, this has got to go whoop, and on, and it's got to line up with them. My idea is to weld that on there with an overhang, weld one on there with an overhang, so they're both exactly the same. Leave these bolts in so it still gives you slight elongation, is my plan. Put your hands up if you know what the hell I'm talking about. What I'm going to do now is drill 4 holes and tap them out. So that way this motor can still elongate. Put some paint on it so we can mark it. So we got it all ready. Still quite warm actually. We know this is going to go on there, like that. That's our plan. So we're going to start there, then that motor will be able to move there if needed. Put your sleep lips a little closer to the muzzle. This is going right down into the cast as well, so it generally holds it all together, the broken bit as well. That apparently goes on there. How much we know? Do you want it? You don't want my money. Right, one more. One more and we'll start celebrating. Glory be, the motor's running. If I can get this nut in, it wants to go in there very easily. I want to just tap down on the elongation. Just like that. Okay, I think we're right. Wish me luck, I'm going in. It's pretty dark in here. You just will have a laugh at these bits, because I got to lift out of there. And I'm telling you, as easy as it looks. 169. I don't want to damage that white thing. It's so heavy, you know, and you know, if your fingers are in the wrong place. Hallelujah. That's what I need. Right, I'm leaving this wire like this for now. Now, there's only one thing that can go wrong. So if you're wearing headphones, no, I'm joking. There's only one thing can go wrong. That motor's going to go that way instead of this way. Plug it in and have a binge. Oh no.
The offense will unfold.